Bhavasri, say the summary.
There are 5 types of animals based on where they live. They are terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, amphibians, aerial animals, and arboreal animals. The animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Cat, cow, dog, fox, goat, lion, deer, tiger, horse, zebra are examples of terrestrial animals. The animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. The fish, dolphin, whale, octopus, shark are examples of aquatic animals. The animals that live both on land and in water are called amphibians. Frog, toad, salamander are examples of amphibians. The animals that fly in the air are called aerial animals. Birds, bees, bats, butterflies, mosquitoes are examples of aerial animals. The animals that live on trees are called arboreal animals. Monkey, sparrow, parrot, owl, leopard are examples of arboreal animals.
Very good.